The Murphy bed in the back of the Solis is secured with the barrel catch here on the rear side of the bath cabinet. Release the barrel catch. Carefully lower the bed. You may need to lift up the cushion clearance to lower the bed. Your additional cushions will fold down. You'll note a small amount of interference for the cushions to fit tightly. Which ensures that you won't feel the breaks in the cushions when you're sleeping. Sheets for the bed can be fitted queen-size sheets fit around the central cushions. To raise the bed back up, first fold up the cushions on the driver's side, lift the bed, and secure it with the barrel catch.